Imagine walking outside one morning, and the sun is gone. No sunrise, no warmth, just an endless night. For billions of years, the sun has been our constant companion, providing the heat, light, and energy that makes life possible. But what if it suddenly vanished? Would we survive, or would Earth become a frozen tomb drifting through space? If the sun disappeared, we wouldn't notice immediately. Light takes about 8 minutes and 20 seconds to travel from the sun to Earth. For those 8 minutes, life would go on as usual. Then, the change would be instant. The sky goes black, the moon, normally lit by reflected sunlight, vanishes from view. Planets like Venus, Mars, and Jupiter disappear. Only distant stars and galaxies would remain visible. But the scariest part isn't the darkness, it's gravity. The sun's gravity holds Earth in orbit. Without it, Earth would fly off in a straight line through space at 30 kilometers per second, 67,000 miles per hour. Our planet would drift endlessly into the cosmic void. The first few days, temperatures begin to plummet rapidly. Within 24 hours, global average temperatures fall below freezing. Within a week, most regions drop to minus 17 degrees Celsius, 1 degree Fahrenheit. The oceans begin freezing at the surface, creating sheets of ice that spread outward. Tropical areas would survive a little longer, but nights become bitterly cold. Solar power becomes useless. Wind patterns collapse, plunging weather into chaos. Yet Earth doesn't go totally dark right away. Artificial light. Cities keep glowing as long as power plants hold out. Geothermal heat. Volcanoes, geysers, and thermal springs keep certain areas warm. Nuclear plants could supply power, but fuel would eventually run out. For humans, survival becomes a race against time. Solar power becomes useless. Wind patterns collapse, plunging weather into chaos. By the end of the first year, Earth would look like a frozen wasteland. Average surface temperatures fall to minus 100 degrees Celsius, minus 148 degrees Fahrenheit. The oceans freeze solid on top, with liquid water only deep beneath the ice. Photosynthesis stops entirely, right-pointing arrow plants die, and food chains collapse. Animals that depend on plants vanish quickly. Predators follow. Humanity's survival depends entirely on technology. Where could we live? Some might try underground bunkers powered by nuclear reactors. Others live near geothermal regions like Iceland or Yellowstone. Additionally, those that could would try submarine colonies beneath the ice, tapping into deep-sea hydrothermal vents. But resources would run out. Farming above ground would be impossible. Humanity would need to invent fully artificial ecosystems. The first decades, without the sun, Earth transforms into a dead world. The atmosphere collapses. The air cools so much it begins to condense and freeze, falling as snow, made of nitrogen and oxygen. All the oceans would lock in ice. Life may only cling to existence in deep-sea hydrothermal vents. Human population would shrink. Billions would die within the first few years. Only small, organized groups with access to nuclear or geothermal power would survive. Society would fracture. Some nations might try to build underground megacities. Others could launch desperate missions to escape Earth altogether. Earth itself becomes unrecognizable, a frozen sphere, glowing faintly with auroras and volcanic eruptions under an endless black sky. Over thousands, even millions of years, Earth drifts endlessly through interstellar space, frozen and silent. Without the sun's energy, evolution halts. Only microbes deep below the ice might continue. The frozen remains of Earth would look like Pluto, a dead, icy world. But there's one small hope. As Earth drifts, it might pass near another star. If captured by its gravity, Earth could gain a new orbit, and maybe, just maybe, warmth would return. The chances are slim, but not impossible. For humans, the only real chance at long-term survival would be leaving Earth behind entirely, building spacecraft powered by nuclear fusion, or finding refuge on other planets before the sun disappears. The sun is more than just a star. Its gravity keeps Earth in orbit. Its light drives photosynthesis, the base of all food chains. Its warmth makes water and life possible. Without it, everything collapses. The sun isn't just our star, it's our lifeline. So, what do you think? If the sun disappeared tomorrow, could humanity adapt underground, or would Earth become a frozen tomb drifting through space forever? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this what if, make sure to like, subscribe, and join us for the next journey into the unknown.